Olusheye Adiagbo also tells us that the federal government and the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, are discussing modalities to meet the identified funding gap of $9.2 billion in Nigeria's water, sanitation and hygiene sector and end open defecation by 2025. This was part of the agenda as the Minister of Water Resources and Sanitation, Professor Joseph Utsev, and the Minister of State Water Resources and Sanitation, Bello Gronyo, received an audience from UNICEF officials in Abuja.
At the end of January 2023, only 74 out of the 774 local government areas in Nigeria have been certified open defecation-free. Slow pace, no doubt, with just about 2 years left to the target year of Nigeria being an open defecation-free nation. In UNICEF reports, 1 out of every 3 people does not have access to safe, clean drinking water, and 37% of children at the national level are suffering from stunting, an irreversible condition which signals a future of human capital deficit.
How can we learn from states like Jigawa and really inspire and motivate other states?
And as we work for children, we cannot divide the children. Children requires all kinds of support, and that's where we want to have more integrated approach.
The leadership of the ministry is now in the vanguard of championing the water sector to achieve the desired results.
When we are talking about economic growth, we cannot leave out the issue of health. And we cannot actually achieve good health 100% without mentioning water and sanitation. And these are the areas that UNICEF have come in and are contributing positively. So we want to assure UNICEF that we will leave no stone unturned.
The ministers expressed readiness to work with relevant actors not only to help achieve national water targets, but also the SDG goal 6 of clean water and sanitation for all by 2030. In Abuja, Olusheye Adiagbo.